Tozani bogogo nomkhulu sarikwazi sendoda lesogogo bathini mbathu mavula kuvala emzini madoda u-anti usha your number one locksmith. Today we are talking wealth protection. Wealth protection. Guys, don't wait until it's too late to act. Don't relax until the last moment, until you find yourself in a situation to say, hey, Gogo, something is not coming right. Something is not make sure. But something is not make sure. Gogo, I suspect, man. Gogo, things were coming okay, but now things are going south. You need to act before things are going south. You need to act immediately when things, they show the sign of south. Don't wait until things go south, because most of the time it's a bit too late. It's a bit difficult to deal with such. It's not an easy thing to deal with. You know, it's one of difficult things to do, or situations to find yourself in when things are now going south. I'm not good with my English, but let's analyze my Benny and Betty English just a little bit. When you are saying something is going, which means it's getting worse, it's going south. Not what it was going south or it's on south, now it's standing. No, it's going, which means things are getting worse and worse and worse. Don't wait for that. Don't wait for that. Get wealth protection. Protect what you have. And when I'm talking about wealth protection, I'm not just talking about izumbe zemali, indodla zemali, like multi-millions or thousands of thousands and everything. No. Protect the little that you have. Protect that job. Protect that tech shop that you are running. Protect that fruit and veg business that you are in. Protect that loose draws business that you are running. Whether you are selling eggs, you are selling whatever that you have, whatever that you are running, protect it. Protect it, Gogo. When, at which point, do I say, yes, I want to protect this? At which point? Where you are. As soon as you hear about this advice, whether things are fine or are not, act. Act. Why am I saying this? Why am I coming with this content in this family channel? Simple. It's simple. And let me explain why. It's because Muti will never work on your pace. Muti will never work on your pace. Muti will do what it needs to done, how it needs to done, the way it wants to done, and the results will depend on Muti. That is one. Two, the results will depend how deep your problem is. Simple and clear. It doesn't depend on how much you paid your healer. It's not there. It's not there. People, they wait for years. For years. Impilo zabo damaged. Toxic families. They themselves, they're toxic. They wait and wait and wait. Then they come to a healer and suddenly they want things to see things like this. As soon as things, they don't go their way, we are being insulted, like I am being insulted in the media. And people will ask me, Gogo, why are you not responding? No. I'm not into business of insulting people. That's not my business. I'm not into that. I'm a healer. I know what I do. I know what I've done. I know what is going to happen. Because why? Other things, they happen already. I know, or I knew they are going to happen. I knew they are going to happen. So why? Because I don't stand up When things are tough, then that's when I stand up. Rush. I need to get that. Yes, Baniban is doing this. I need to get that. My avocado business is not going well. Now I need to act. No. When things are going smooth, when you still have some money to go and look for something to protect your business, do that. Protect whatever. People relax in their marriages. People relax in their marriages, in their relationships, and they are fine. And they think nothing's going to happen. While something's coming very slow yet deep behind them. They are not aware. Slowly, like a cat's walk, coming to you very slowly. You are not aware because you are too comfortable. That is a problem. That is a problem. The challenge that we have is we are too comfortable within our space. And we wake up a bit too late. Hey, Gogo, my marriage is destroyed. Gogo, hey, Gogo, it's tough. Hey, Gogo, I don't know what to do. Hey, Gogo, my wife is leaving me. Oh, Gogo, my husband has left me. Gogo, my boyfriend is not talking to me anymore. Hey, what? And by then, Mashankurana, Akuna. Why, Gogo, do you keep on talking about money? It's because there's nothing for free, guys. Unfortunately, you'll forgive me or you don't forgive me. It's up to you. There's nothing for mahala. If you need help and real help, you need to be willing to pay. If you don't want to pay, don't bother calling Gogo Batinembata and say, Gogo, how about I will pay, but we wait for what? But imagine going to getting Muti and negotiate all of that. It doesn't happen. So why are you saying all of that? Mostly, you don't have money to pay. Why? Because you allowed things to go south. Because you were happy in the east. Looking at the north, you were happy. Now things are going south. And from south, they are going to west. And they are going to be worse. And then you end up giving up. You end up going around. Muti doesn't work. That healer doesn't work. That pastor doesn't work. That what. You end up blaming people. Why? You had time. You had the opportunity. It was at your disposal. You had time. Everything was there. Because everything that is happening, guys, it's on time. So for you to get help, that will be on time. For you to relax, not to get help, that will be on time. Because Muti will do its work. Irregardless how urgent you need it. Irregardless. Hey, there's no Muti for court cases. Hey, there's no Muti for business. You must just, I've heard these other guys, they were talking on themselves. And this other one says, yeah, Mina, my business, I don't have my boys or my girls. My business, I went to school, I studied that, I what. I don't answer things that have nothing to do with me. If you are not talking to me, I'm not going to answer. And I could pick up, maybe a guy knows me, so he's trying to ulahela amagama to me, and I did not entertain him. I left him with his belief system. I left him. But already you can tell with his attitude to Uguti, something's not make sure. He's too comfortable. It's nice to be comfortable. It's nice to be comfortable, but never underestimate witchcraft. That's where we get it wrong. Don't underestimate witchcraft. There is something called a slow poison of a witchcraft. It comes very slow. They are not in a hurry. I will always tell you these things, guys. These people are not in the hurry. They are not on hurry. People who are using witchcraft, lalela, they are very patient. They are very patient, lalela. They will put something that they know their target. Come 2027, come 2028 or whatever year, you are nothing. You are nothing. I know this for a fact. I remember telling this lady to say, I said to her, I don't see your marriage in the next 5 years. I don't see your marriage after 5 years. It's nowhere to be found. Hi, Coco, that one, leave it. Oh, we're so happy, Coco. Oh, Coco, we're so happy. Oh, Coco, neighbor Bazi. Oh, Coco, I'm so happy. Coco, Yazin. Actually, this is the best relationship I've ever been. Coco, the guy loves me so much. I love him so much. The connection. Coco, the chemistry. Those English words. Coco, the chemistry between us. No, Coco, that one. Hey, Coco, actually, I was not even supposed to get married. The way things were bad, the way people were talking and everything. With my mind, I said, woman, that was a red flag. If you don't believe me, not. Because if I do a consultation, I will tell you what I see and I'll leave it there. I won't force you to solve that. And then what she said, Coco, let's focus on business. We did. We focused on business. We focused, things were going well, things were pushing and everything. And the hubby got money, things went well, and the hubby spoiled Ukel. And Ukel got some calves, some extra kilos nyana, some extra fat nyana, some extra cheeks nyana, because Nami, when she came crying, tears were not running straight from the eyes, were passing somewhere. They were speed humps of tears. Now, because she gained some weight, things were going well. And then Ukai started to see Ilenda. People who are trimmed like Coco Batin in Islanda. Ilenda, they started seeing Ilenda, and the PA took over the relationship. The PA of the guy. How do I know this? Angithi, she now gathered the information. Now she comes to me with the pictures to say, Coco, look what I was talking about. This is a girl I trusted so much, Coco. There was a time she didn't have a place to stay. She was staying at my place. My husband would take her to school. What? You were too relaxed. And I told you. And I don't like using those words. However, I don't have a choice. If I have told you, and you didn't pay attention, you didn't listen to me, you said we must focus on wealth. Yes, we did. And business is booming. However, somebody else is benefiting with you. It is what it is. Unfortunately. Injalo Coco. And that is painful. Guys, it's painful. I could see her. It was painful. Yes, I've managed to assist her. Was it easy, Coco? Oh, absolutely not. It was the toughest assignment ever. It was one of the toughest assignments. Because the relationship has been going on for too long. A girl that wants to take the hubby, she has been getting into the system of Ukai for the longest of time. Kancane, paying attention of things that sisters doesn't want to do, and she will capitalize on that. I've dealt with it. I've dealt with cases whereby, Coco, I'm out of my house because of my helper. Coco, I'm out of my house because of the driver. Our driver, Coco. Yeah, these things, guys, They don't happen in the movie. Movies are reality shows, actually. It's just that in the movie, they make it exciting. They do that, they do that, they do that. But things that we see on movies, they are real. They are real. Gogo, my business from doing this much and everything, now it's kaput. It's finished. Have you ever opened a business selling food? I have a personal experience. Selling food. And you've hired a shop. You are renting a shop, selling food. And somebody across the street just open the table and sell exactly the same food that you are selling. Much cheaper. Because they are not paying any rent. Have you ever seen a client a customer that you used to discuss soccer with, politics with, just current affairs with, there buying food, and they see you coming to park with your car, then they come with the food that they bought there to greet you and say, hey man, Gogo man, we'll talk. It's lunchtime, it's almost done. That woman, it's get packed there. I have to leave you. And then they leave. Then the next thing, you don't even feel like talking to the guy because you are angry at the guy as if he did something wrong and he didn't. Because loyalty goes with affordability. Loyalty goes with a price that a person pays. Then, gone. Gone. The guy goes. The customer goes. All the customers went to that woman that is cooking there on the street. Why that happened? Because I did not see that it could happen. I was too relaxed. I thought it will never happen to me. Never. That will never happen. That attitude killed many businesses. Killed many businesses. Yes, we can be excited now to say things are fine, everything is moving well, I've got contacts. I talked to you about contacts. I told you about contacts. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. So, guys, if you want Muti to work for you, use it in time. Use it in time. Use it immediately you suspect something. Use it immediately. You know, as soon as your margins, your whatever drops a little bit, stand up. Never relaxed. Never, ever relaxed. Don't be quick to say, no, it's economy. You know, you educated people, that's why I said too much education is a curse. Too much education is a curse because you can see it is a problem. Then you say, no, it's economy. It's economy. No, it's because of economy. It's fine. Pay attention to economy and leave economics there. Then deal with it traditionally. Look at it traditionally to say, am I in the right place? And yes, true guys, you need to get somebody that will be honest. Because honesty is very important in this. Because the last thing you need is to go to me and you say you just want to check how things they are and everything. And then I lie to you. To say, you thinking, you. Where have you been? You don't need that. You need somebody that will be able to analyze. If it's bad, they must tell you it's bad. And if it's not, they must tell you it's not. However, get a protection. Guys, you don't put a condom because of what you may find yourself in. No. You put a condom to be safe, irrelevant. Whether she's going to fall pregnant or you've got an STI that you can pass or not, it's irrelevant. Irregardless, you are protecting yourself. So guys, Protection is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. Far better than cure. Pay attention to your business. Pay attention to your work. Pay attention to your marriage before it's too late. It's very painful to see people fighting in courts, fighting for cars, fighting for that, because they were both relaxing. They thought their vows are protection. They thought their education is a protection. They thought their commitment is a protection. It was just promises. It's just something that people say. We actually have more married people divorcing than people who are just dating, who have never had vows to each other, committing to each other. Why is that? It's up to us. It's up to individual. If you feel that your business is doing well and you want to see that next year, next week, tomorrow, stand up. Do something. Protect your wealth. By all costs. Protect it. If you are not using umuti, maybe it's time to think about it. Maybe it's time to think about it. Because your education is not enough. Your qualifications are not enough. Your contacts are not enough. Your experience is not enough. We wouldn't have big businesses closing down. Big businesses. Big franchises closing down. You must check the news about franchises, which franchise is doing what and everything across the globe. And you'll be shocked of franchises that were doing billions. They are closing their doors. Why? Why? Do something. Salwasendo to Coco Batinum Batum of Love Valens and Matota. Auntie Usha, your number Ian Losmith, Umalume, gift.